Good morning. Welcome to sunny Clacton. It's looking good out there. It's actually, I think you can even see the sea. You can see the sea. Not really. We're just gonna leave that alone. Anyway, it's the 23rd of April. The rally starts today, this evening at 6 and 7 p.m. First two stages are happening, but before we get there, we've got to go to the service area, set all that up, see what the truck looks like, see what the tents look like, see what all the gear looks like, and then me and Max are heading off to Recce. Recce is from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. Quite a lot to think about because on Sunday, there's 4 stages done 3 times, which we've got a note to get ready for. The stages aren't particularly long, but there is quite a lot going on inside of them. So, without further ado, I guess we should get down to the service area and show you what it all looks like. Or, I think you guys are gonna have to help us set it up, so let's go. Can't do it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Side. If anybody knows how to operate a screw, give me a call.
He's only gone and done it. Oh. No, he hasn't. Oh well.
As you can see, it's a little bit windy. We didn't anticipate that one. The one bit I didn't think about, we've got some good weights going on over there. So we're now going to head over to Recce. I'm going to take you with us. And this is going to hopefully develop in the background. We'll come back in about 5 hours and everything should be good to go. But right now, the lads are working really hard, getting everything out of the truck, anything set up, getting the car to scrutineering very soon. That's all the technical checks to make sure it's valid, proper, perfect for the rally, and then we're good to go. So without further ado, the other thing, the last little bit that I didn't quite mention, and now I can mention because it has arrived, the suits, our racing suits have arrived this morning. Talk about timing. Anyway, right, I'm done. See you later. Now it's a bit windy around here, you probably can't hear me at all, but we've headed over to the trailer park to collect some stickers, to collect some things for the rally. We're gonna do that quickly and then we're gonna head back to the service area, have another look around, you know, act useful. Not really.
Here, tell me when I'm late.
I've just told Noel that last week we couldn't manage a vlog. This week we're back on it, but
This time he's not gonna win.
Ooh, fighting. Where is he? Oh, hell, he's getting involved. Did you look good? Feeling good? Yeah, I thought so. The Welsh, they love themselves, and the Irish. Smile. We're at the first stage of Recce, the start line, and we've been met by the team this year. Beck's looking after us. Reese, can't be seen. He's looking very, very official. And deep in thought over there. I'm just going to leave them all to it. Nothing that I need to get involved with. I'm gonna. Oh, I know he's come in to say hello. Back again. They have asked collectively if you've done it. No. Move on. Soft subject. Don't say
My
that.
eyebrows. Yeah, they have grown a bit. Actually, Bex has got to trim them tomorrow. That's part of the job for tomorrow morning before we go.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna switch cameras and we'll get onto the Recce. So we'll see you all in a bit. We've done one pass of all of the 4 stages for Sunday. I've called the notes, Max has written them down. Now we're going to go back out and check all of the 4 stages again, check the pace notes, see what they're like. And then we've got 2.5 hours left at Recce. We'll go back to the service park, and just next to the service park is the first stage tonight. It's on the seafront down by the beach, so we're going to have to walk that stage, make pace notes while we're just walking along. So not ideal, but that's how it works sometimes. And we'll go from there. Stages look good. We feel ready. Do we feel ready?
We're ready for it, mate.
Yeah.
Let's end on the first loop.
He said it all. Done.
Gotta be done.
Right. We'll get back to it.
60. Flat left and flat crest. 80. Flat left. 80. Right tight short 5 line. 60. Flat crest. 130. Fast early 5 left plus, opens max long. Short square right and left. And flat 3 left and right.
We're on the way to make notes for the first stage and looks like we need to go for a quick ride. Look at that. Oh, that's better than my rally car, that. Oh, what do you reckon?
I see some roller coasters. Get me on there now.
What do you want? A roller coaster ride or a ride with me this weekend? That doesn't sound right. I'm going to end the video right now. We've got some QR codes. See if you can scan them. Sorry. They're going to go on the car. They're going to lead you to different things each time. They're not going to always be the same. This one, I think, takes you to my YouTube channel, but the other ones are some competitions, some giveaways. You do not want to miss out. You do want to scan them. I think the first thing you got to do, though, is get to a rally, so you can do that. No messing. On that note, what do you think? Everything has just arrived. I can only say that now because it has arrived. If I told you it about before and it didn't, it would have been a bit bad. But there's a lot going on down here. That simulator, those two simulators, a big competition going on. Everyone needs to get involved. I'll hide that again. I'm going to lead these guys through that. There's a huge amount of people that have just come through. We've lost some of them now. I think they're getting over to the first stage because the first stage is starting in about 40 minutes. So I'm going to leave you guys. I hope you enjoy the next bit coming up because it's time to get serious.
Left 150, stay left 150, 6 left stay and tight pipe right.
First stage done, second stage done as well. 0.6 off the lead, in second place. Job's done, let's go home. No, okay, on a serious, we've got a big day tomorrow, lots more stages, 12 more stages to focus on, so time to get back, do a bit of revision and get up in the morning and go for it.
40, late flat 3 right, opens max long, into flat 2 right plus, stop right and short 5 left, and short 5 right half long line, 100, 6 left plus opens, and 4 right plus, 60.
Where are we? We're halfway through the day, so it's desperate to be involved.
Hi to all your subscribers, guys.
Can you ask them to subscribe and get involved?
Can you subscribe and press the like button? Give him a like.
He's all over it. We're halfway there already. Did you pounce at the camera? Right, we'll get back to it. So Axel, can you cue some of that stuff? Thank you.
Good. Crest into left and slot hairpin right. And flat 3 left, 40 over crest, flat 2 right plus, 60, 3 left tight.
What do we need?
Your vlog needs to be every 2 weeks. You're going to have to do something different, like maybe grow your hair. Spice it up a bit.
Is it not? It's ginger enough.
It needs a bit of spice.
Is it not got enough ginger spice to it?
No.
Anything I'm doing right? Is it anything I'm doing right?
2-minute video, 2-minute video is not a vlog. That's more like a Snapchat.
We've got Steven Spielberg over here letting us know exactly what the plan is. So,
60. Flat crest, 130. Fast early, 5 left plus, opens max long. 80. Crest, stop chicane, right entry, faster.
Rory Bell, I mean, second overall on your BRC1 debut after 4 stages, but you're second overall to a 4-time BRC champion. That's a pretty good morning.
there's a lot of thinking you're doing now. We don't have to do that much thinking. We just got to focus on the road.
Forgive me if I'm wrong, but it really does sound like you're taking each stage as it comes, not really focusing on maybe the bigger picture and just trying to do your best per stage, and then that's sort of giving you the pace that you've obviously seen today.
I think the bigger picture is the fact that as a team we've got here, got to the event, done all that. That's the big picture for me. The rallying needs to just come step by step, slowly build it up throughout the season. So
We can get in here.
sadly, that's how our rallies ended. The pace was good, everything was good. We were lying in second overall with 6 seconds off the lead. All I can say is thank you to everybody that has helped get us here. Thank you to everybody that's part of this campaign. Inspira Wealth, BVNK, Near Protocol, Moonboots Capital, Speedline Pirelli, Motul, Climate Positive, Race Software, XSIM. It's been massive. Our dream come true to have this opportunity. And now we just got to regroup, replan, fix the car, get to my social media, RbellRally. Thanks very much for the support. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Go on, son.
Oh, don't even. That's how we finish a rally.